Hello everyone, my name is Debashisa Sahoo. I'm from Nayagarh, Odisha, and I'm going to share my learning experience with Evision to you guys. So, first of all, I got to know about the Evision from one of my friend. Then after that, I was joining in Evision, and after 45 days, I got placed in a Thoughtsol company. And it's a MNC company, and I received the package per annum like 3.0 LPA. So I can suggest you just guys join eVision and who want to build your career in IT field, then must go and join. They will help you to teach you and how to make a resume for you and how to give interview. They can do also mock test. So I repeat, you just go and join eVision if you want to build your career in IT sector. So thank you so much. I love you all. Have a good day.